irrigation system for watering plants at home. So I'm using a 12-volt water motor for watering the plants. So for that I need 12-volt battery. So I don't have a 12-volt battery. So instead I made a 12-volt battery by connecting 8 1.5-volt cells. So this is how the connection of the motors look like. And this is how it looks like when I made it. I connected the cells with each other by making pair of them basically, and then the remaining two terminals were positive and negative. This is the circuit. Now I had to check whether the motor is working perfectly with our made 12-volt battery or not. So I took two glasses, one was empty and one was filled, for testing that whether motor will work or not with our 12-volt battery. It was working very fine, as you can see on the screen. Now as you can see, it was working perfectly, so it is time to write the code. So basically I'm using a L2R3D motor shield to supply power to our water motor. So we included its library, then mentioned that our moisture sensor is connected to A0 pin and tell that motor is connected to motor 1 in our board. So then in void setups, we told that speed of motor and then set the output value to analog read. That output we are calling analog read output value. Then main if else loop telling that if output value is equals to or greater than this, that's 300. Then you should stop the motor, and if it's something else which is not fine for plant, it should run the motor and motor will water the plant. Then it is the main scene where we connected all the parts with the Arduino. Now after the whole connection, I tested that whether the code is working perfectly with Arduino or not, and it was running completely perfect. So then I placed all the things in a proper way and started to try how it works. And let me show you how it worked. So first, everything was completely fine. The moisture soil was fine. So to show, I took out the moisture sensor from the soil and it instantly detected that. And in seal monitor, it's showing that moisture is low. It's gone above 300, which is not good for plant, and it's turned on the motor instantly for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, when water was stopped, I kept the moisture sensor back in the soil and motor was stopped. As you can see in serial monitor, it also detected that it's back to high. The moisture is again fine. So that's how I made an automatic irrigation system for plants at home. So thanks for watching.